Do you want to learn how to make money mailing postcards? Hey, my friend Justin Temple here, and thank you for visiting Postcard Lifestyle. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications for future videos, because in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money with postcards and how I was able to make $300 commissions or $300 money orders sent directly to my mailbox. And this is the same exact system, a simple 3-step system that I was able to use to change me and my girlfriend's life and allow myself to stop working a dead-end fast food job. And you can see income proof in the link in the description below by visiting www.postcardlifestyle.com. So I don't want to show any checks right now or anything. It's not what this video is about. What this video is about is how to make money mailing postcards, okay? So, and again, you can see income proof in the link in the description below. But how to make money mailing postcards in 2021, in 2022, and even beyond, okay? So the first thing you need to understand is that postcards are they're a little more on the costly side for advertising. So if you're going to do postcard marketing, one of the best ways to make money mailing postcards is to offer a premium service, okay? Offer a premium service. And also, when you mail out postcards, you're advertising to people that own homes, most likely, or they're at least renting, okay? And people that are renting homes or have their own home typically are in the middle class or upper middle class, okay? So you can sell a higher priced product doing postcard marketing, okay? And this is the biggest key to how to make money with postcard marketing, because let me explain to you. The average postcard that I send out, the highest amount that it costs me per postcard, that's the lead, the stamp, and the postcard all in one, ready to mail out, per one at the most costs me about 75 to 79 cents. Now I can get that lower to like 60 cents, about maybe 63. So I can lower it, but I'm just giving you the rough numbers. Postcard marketing is not the cheapest way to advertise. So in order to make money doing direct mail and how to make money mailing postcards, is that you need to sell something that you can earn a few $100s in commission or per sale, right? And so that allows you to be able to cover the cost of advertising and to be able to put some money in your pocket. Okay, does that make sense? So with the truth about how to make money mailing postcards is you cannot sell low ticket $5, $10, $20, $50 products, okay? You have to be able to make high ticket commissions to cover your cost of advertising. That's just the truth. That's just how it is, my friend, okay? So if you want to learn more about how to make money mailing postcards, click the link in the description below, and I will teach you exactly how you can make money mailing postcards from your home this year, right now, okay? And this is the same system, again, that I was able to use to earn $300 money orders sent directly to my mailbox. And this is the same system that allowed me to change me and my girlfriend's life, allowing me to stop working a dead-end fast food job. Okay, my friend, thank you so much for being on this video. Click the link in the description below to learn more about how to make money mailing postcards. All right, my friend, visit www.postcardlifestyle.com, and I will be able to teach you more and help you more there. If you want additional trainings, you can also check out my YouTube channel on direct mail and how to make money with postcards. I got videos like what's the best day to mail postcards, and how to increase postcard response rates and things like that. So make sure to check out my channel and watch those videos. And again, click the link in the description below to check out my #1 recommended how to make money with postcard opportunity. And I will teach you exactly how me and my team are succeeding doing direct mail and doing postcard marketing. Okay, my friend, thanks for watching this video about how to make money mailing postcards. I really appreciate you being here. My name is Justin Temple. Again, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications for future direct mail or postcard marketing videos. Thank you again, and again, click the link in the description below. It's 100% free to check out the income proof and check out the simple system that I use, okay? And no income results guaranteed. It does take hard work, and it does take mailing out some postcards and answering some questions when people call you back, you know. But other than that, it's very, very simple. No advertising, no Facebook, no pay-per-click, and no complicated ads like that. Okay. So thanks for watching. Again, click the link in the description below, postcardlifestyle.com, and I will see you on the inside.